www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2008 Ford F-250 XLT leather crew cab power stroke diesel 4-wheel drive riding on a nice set of 20s factory warranty through 8/25/12, backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather seating, MP3 player and 6-disc CD changer, sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, towing package and gooseneck hitch, PW, PDL, and PM. There's something intoxicating about pushing the accelerator pedal to the floor in a Ford diesel. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return,